Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here, even though I'm not feeling good. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I got my results. I tested positive for COVID. Right now it's just really it's rough. I'm doing everything necessary. I'm drinking hot tea. Taking my meds, my vitamins. Basically just doing what I need to do to get over this. Tomorrow I have an appointment to go get the cocktail. I don't remember what the name of it is, but that's the nickname they gave it is the cocktail. I guess it's like something to help boost my immune system. I'm not sure. But I called my mom and she was like, try to see if you can get it. She was the one that told me about it. And so I paid like $225 for it because I added to get an IV to get some so I can stay hydrated. Make sure I'm hydrated, but I'm drinking everything. I got all my meds and everything over there. Soup and Powerade, no sugar. Because they said that you need to stay away from sugary drinks. It's not good for you. Been drinking tea. My good friend Laverne, she came and dropped off groceries by the door. She brought us fruits, Powerade. She brought us soup, homemade chicken soup. Not the one in the can, the homemade one. Thank God for her. Thank you so much, Laverne. We really appreciate you, girl. But, we really appreciate it. It's times like these, you know who your friends are or who really cares or who's there for you. I've had a couple people check in on me. And don't feel like because you didn't bring groceries or you didn't bring food or anything, that's just people calling and checking up on us is support, you know? Giving me different remedies and ideas to fight this thing. I have sickle cell trait. I don't have the disease, but I have the trait, so I don't know how this will affect me. But I'm supposed to go tomorrow to get that cocktail shot and to get some vitamins through IV and trying to see if I can boost my system up a little bit to fight this thing, because I don't want to end up in the hospital on no ventilator. I really don't. So I'm just taking it easy right now and just fighting it. My body aches came back today. I was feeling body aches on the first day, which is Thursday, I believe. Forgive me. Like, if I can't remember stuff, I don't know. It's just like, it's a lot. But yeah, I've just been trying to hang in there. Haven't been laying. This is the first time I'm really laying down. I got up, start moving around, I start sanitizing my house down so that this thing doesn't get too out of control. DEVO went and got a test today. She got a rapid test. She tested negative because she been out of the house. So she hasn't been in contact with us, but I just wanted her to get tested just to make sure. Yeah, so basically I'm just laying down. The body aches are just too much right now, and I have to chill, so like under the covers. I don't know. I've been taking vitamins, I've been taking emergency zinc, all that good stuff just to help boost my immune system. I feel so weak. When I stand up, I kind of feel a little dizzy. So I'm just taking it easy right now at this point. But guys, just pray for your girl that I get through this. Guys, this is no joke. You guys need to wear your mask, wash your hands. I mean, I did all that. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I did all of that. And anybody that knows me knows how much of a germaphobe I am. And I always try to keep everything clean and sanitized. But just the line of work that hubby's in with the videography, it's like he has to be around people. So you guys just be careful out there. It's no joke. You guys stay healthy. Boost your system now before you get sick. Yep, so basically right now, for a few days, I didn't vlog, I didn't pick up the camera, I just wasn't feeling good. This thing will trick you. It will make you feel like you're starting to feel better, and then it just makes a U-turn. I did that a couple of times to me. I've had it for 1 week now. And yeah, so I'm just trying to write it out. Hopefully my symptoms will start to subside with this week coming. The kids are supposed to start school. Yuri can't start school right now. But guys, I'm out of it. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm in pain. Like the body aches. But you guys, I'll just keep you guys posted. I think I'm gonna take a nap. I'm just really not feeling good right now. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with me. And you guys pray for me in the comment section. I'm surprised I even found the energy to even pick up this phone. I'm not even vlogging off my camera. I'm vlogging off my phone. I'm too out of it right now. I just want to come on here real quick and just share with you guys what I'm experiencing. Excuse me, what's going on. Tomorrow when I go get the cocktail, those aches and pains, yo. God, I feel tomorrow when I go, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. You guys just pray for me, please, in the comment section. Oh my God, I just look so horrible. Okay. Yeah, guys, but just pray for your girl and stay tuned. I'll update you guys. Try to update you guys tomorrow. Depends on how I feel. I'm gonna go get some rest. I'm not feeling too good right now. I'm gonna go get some rest. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share the video. You guys wear your mask, wash your hands, sanitize. Do whatever you need to do that's necessary to stay safe and healthy. All right.
Oh, yeah. So, what day? Monday, my day at the ER because my hemorrhoids act up. You know what I mean? Whoa. Damn. For the why me a burp, me not even can eat. Anyway, me not even reach this. So I go to the ER for my hemorrhoids. And make no sense because them give me a prescription and I fill it. The thing where them give me enough for it. But anyway, I go on a specialist. About Wednesday. Yeah. And I mean, them said the hemorrhoids have a tear. I mean, because them say straining and all of that, and but I'm not really strain. I don't know what happened, but them give me a compound. It's really not that bad, but it's not the best because I'm still feeling pain. And guess what? What happened again? I have COVID. I got COVID-19. So I'm there one place now where I boost up my body. Them call it the cocktail drip or the cocktail shot. You know what I mean? So well, my baby, my son have it too. You know what I mean? Him run up and down, see me, nothing to do him. Me, nothing to do me about the COVID. You know what I mean? Boy, you say, the worst thing out of all of them sickness right now is the pain from the hemorrhoids. For real, for real, for real. You know what I mean? So, there's a document. I should have a document long time still, but I have so much pain, Jaja. I don't even know what to do with myself. And it's not the COVID that make me have pain. The hemorrhoids. The hemorrhoid is a wicked thing, bro. Anybody out there and feel say, yo, hemorrhoids are a joke thing? No, dangerous thing. So if you see symptoms of like you go bathroom and you see like a blood or a little lump or whatever, check it out, brother. Because me have it for a while, but me I go and like say me a madman and just chill and ray. Same thing with my father. Father have it and just cause if that thing will flare up now, I not flare up till the next 2-3 years. You know what I mean? But no, this is flare right up. That's ER and specialists and all them something. So anybody out there have this hemorrhoids, get it out, brother. Go cut it out. You have insurance, cut it out. You don't have insurance, you get the money and do it, brother. Because when I go see him back in September, I don't know him saying which tell me if I go need a surgery. But I will just cut it out, brother. You know what I mean? So and my baby now no smell, no taste or body her ear and everything with the COVID, you know what I mean? So that's two things in one when I talk about right now. So I will up on understand them. I say, yeah man. But the thing them say I go what them call it? Vitamins and this and that and all of that and all that. So I just get it, you know what I mean? Better myself. And if you're not out there in the cities and the Houston area, I don't know about it, the cocktail, I need to go get it. It's like all natural stuff. You understand what I say? Boost back your energy, boost back your body, boost up everything, you know what I mean? So I go all asleep now because this is the thing, take long. So I must get a 30 minutes of sleep because I'm tired. So we talk again. Yeah, we done the cocktail now. So we in there with that.
Hi guys.
Sick fall, this, you know.
I look sick, but I'm fighting, guys. I'm fighting. I'm a fighter. We're just fighting to get through this. That cocktail stuff, it really helped. We got IV for hydration. We got vitamins. Yeah, but it made me feel a little better. Yeah, so we're just gonna get some food, eat, but we still can't just think that we're 100. We still have to continue to do the things that we're doing, and
like the steaming and the
so we can take care of ourselves, because the cocktail is supposed to let the symptoms, they're supposed to go away soon. It helps to reduce the longevity of it. So hopefully maybe in a couple days we should be feeling like all the way okay. But yeah guys, that stuff works. It really made me feel different. I'm even hungry, and I feel like I have an appetite and like I want to eat. So that's good. And yeah, we just have to ride this thing out.
We have to eat fast and take before gas pick
up.
You know?
I know, because that's another problem I don't want to have to deal with right now.
You understand? Yeah man, so don't know the things set already, you know, so that's why I'm joke me. But from Monday I be a joke, you know, because I get joke on the hand And then, you know, my hemorrhoids, them joke me in my body. And all them something. But in a real life, I'm going to prefer take the COVID-19 over.
Well, the COVID-19 that you're experiencing. You'd rather take that over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want to.
Okay,
Oh, yes.
Alright. Thank you, sir. Just a minute. Yeah.
Thank you. You have a wonderful
Okay, then,
evening.
alright. Same to you. Yeah, man, carry like a taxi. Yeah, how me feel? Well, hear me I say, me have COVID-19. But the hemorrhoids, I prefer take the COVID-19. Yeah, I said because of how me not feel like how you feel, right?
No, I'm saying, you said you'd rather take the COVID, but I said I'd rather take the COVID with the way you have the COVID.
More
because
that
there's a lot of people out there that's dying, that's on ventilators, can't breathe and all of that stuff. So that's why I'm telling you, be mindful of what you're saying.
Yeah.
Because you'd rather take the COVID or do you.
Yeah.
Not the bad COVID that make you end up in the hospital. Because I'm pretty sure you would rather the hemorrhoids.
Boy, I mean, no, you know. Right now, when me have, the two things when me have, but us let go the hemorrhoids and keep one. And keep the next one. And that man tell us. So, yeah, I mean, we're going to drive out and now still. So, if anything, we'll link up back and do something and so. Because them vlog, if you're going from what day and about 2 away.
We was jacked up.
She jacked up. And me under pain. Under pain, we mean living high water. Pain. Them kind of pain. So, put in that GPS now, baby.
Oh, what we are going next?
Walgreens. I get the So anyway, big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up on yourself, guys. Pray for us.
Yeah, pray for me.
In the comment section.
Yeah. Find it, baby? Huh? What you look for?
You can't find a third floor, you don't.
The third floor there. The island.
In here, I just don't know where it is.
We have to ask which part them. And which part them keep them aisle. The lady she work in a baby.
She work here?
It looks so. I don't know.
Hi, how you doing? You work here? Oh, where can we find the essential oils? Like peppermint oil, eucalyptus. You know what? You can ask someone in pharmacy. Okay. And they'll be able to point you straight to it. All right, thank you. No problem.
I'll get up some thing and thing before we go in, you know. I don't know we're going again. Lucky, you know. How old am I, baby? Vitamin C 1000.
Essential oils like peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil.
That would be aisle 8.
Aisle 8.
Okay, thank you so much.
Be aisle 8. Let me double check. Because I actually haven't seen those in a while.
Oh, okay.
Them not there.
Well, where are the essential oils? Oh, my bad. They're right here.
Okay.
they're there.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, thank you. Eucalyptus.
Take it around. And peppermint, yeah. Which other one did that?
Frankincense.
Yeah, take out the one there. Frankincense. Alright, that's good now. You want me?
I want to name Breathe Easy Pure Essential. Energizing. Lemongrass, lavender, peppermint.
I know, so them are good.
Okay.
You want one more? Are they
Emergency?
Emergency?
Yeah. Because look,
how much are them in it?
1,000 milligrams of vitamin C.
I know, but how much coming in it?
30.
30. You better we have it and not use it.
And I still have a few at home.
So you say pick up the next one?
Yeah, yeah. The one I found from my store.
Yeah.
Were you able to find it?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
How should I find that, David?
That was on the next aisle down.
Okay.
Down here. Actually, this one, it's right here. I seen it when it was walking by. keep going all the way to the end.
To the end?
Right here. You see it?
No?
Emergency.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, different flavor.
Oh, this is the Immune Plus.
Yeah, that one.
This is the better one.
Yeah.
Go on the other side.
The other side. So, if your baby could move over there now, baby, all direct. And I say ground, so.
Wait. Yeah, so.
Yeah, so.
Sure.
Turmeric. Have you raw turmeric still a drink?
Diarrhea.
A turmeric?
Yes.
That good, man. That flush out your system. What?
See time.
Where? Oh, yeah. Okay. Baby, say something. Look around, baby. Baby, mash up.
Mash up, man. I try.
So you go, man, so. You don't know, you know, come get some little thing and, you know what I mean? I go home, you know, I'm pitting them scatter all about, so. My hemorrhoid still I hurt me do. It's a hemorrhoid flag. Yeah. So go and do no things still there. My soul link on up back in. Alright, now coach or something there, you know. From when and when look out from the place. And look for mommy.
Hi guys.
Baby, come join me tonight.
I'm aching right now, so I'm trying to cope with it. Hubby said he don't want no noise out here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just trying to bear it so I can be out here with him. I'm trying to fall asleep so I don't have to worry about it. But other than that, I feel okay. Just the aches came back, and it makes it hard for you to fall asleep. But I'm just gonna lay here and just bear it until I fall asleep. Alright guys.
Look for the place. The place not looks so, you know. But
My
that's
house never looks like this.
What we have to just, yeah, I mean, you don't know the things yet.
It'll be nice and clean when we get better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, so that's again a little update. I think I might little spot this also from get sick. Watch my movie them and chill, you know.
And I was tired of being in the room by myself, guys. I'm lonely in there. So I want to be with my baby. So I put 2 of my chairs together and made a bed. Well, hubby did it for me.
Right.
So we're just here, guys, trying to get better, trying to fight this thing. Yeah, so I don't know it already. Lots more videos when we get better. You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man, and movie I run in the background. They say, don't know me, I go watch my movie. Saying? Alright then.